Hi, I'm Claire Butcher, and I apply AI and machine learning to infrastructure problems. And today I'm going to be talking about change over time. So change over time is all about evolution from one data point to another. And in infrastructure, we're doing that through visual imagery. And that is because around 95% of a bridge's or asset's condition can be seen through imagery. And what we look at is the specific pixels in a region that means something. For us, it's defects. So we look at these pixels from one moment in time and then see what has changed the next time we look at this image. And one of the challenges we have to deal with is that these photos won't have been taken in exactly the same places. So therefore we have to start doing some really clever stuff with image registration and correlation to try and overcome these challenges. And this is really important for allowing asset managers to be able to prioritize their whole portfolio and know where an asset sits within that in terms of problematic issues and prioritization needs.